Okay, we're now going to look at a few selections of bluebells that people have made over the years. This is a particularly really nice, very dark one. And then if we go over to the back here, you can see there's a wonderful bicolour, dark blue bicolour with stripes. We have an amazing lavender coloured bluebell. So it's not pink and it's not blue, it's the most stunning lavender colour, as you can see, like that. And then we have a variant which is called bracteate. This is a white bracteate one. This is the later one, which looks like it's derived from the real wild British one. So it's white and late and neat. We go around slowly here. We've got the most beautiful soft pale blue, the most glorious beautiful pale blue. Behind we've got a more medium pale blue, again very vigorous, a beautiful colour. And then at the front here we've got another really nice dark blue one selection. This is an amazing blue bracteate called Amy Doncaster. So in a bracteate bluebell, there's two little bracts behind each flower, and the bracts become large and leafy to make this amazing form. This particular one is a semi-double blue. So when you look inside the flower, instead of having 6 petals, it can have anything up to 12 petals. It's not a full double, it's a semi-double, but it's still quite interesting. Followed by the most wonderful pale blue, an absolutely stunning pale blue plant, fantastic big flowers, looking really vigorous and strong. You know, some of these plants are absolutely exceptional. And then we move over here gradually and we come to another variant with again superb pale blue flowers of a different shade altogether. The most wonderful pink one, a fantastic selection with pink flowers, followed by the most wonderful pale blue, and then another beautiful, very soft pale blue, looking absolutely superb, maybe not as vigorous as some. If we look over here, we've got the most wonderful pale bicolour with, in this particular case, the petals are blue and the tube is white. And then we go over gently over here and we find one where the tube is blue and the petals are white. Absolutely fantastic variant of bluebell. Another superb bicolour with a blue tube and white petals, and this one is slightly later, so it's flowering about two weeks later than the other ones I showed you. And then if we move over to the back here, you can see the most glorious, wonderful, fantastic white bracteate bluebell. And so far as we know, this white bracteate is a hybrid one, so it's not a real British one, but it's still stunning in gardens. Absolutely amazing thing. We have the most wonderful pink one, fantastic selection with pink flowers. This is another bracteate, but it's a very late one. This one is called Green Lashes, and if you look very carefully, you can see the bracts are coming, but they haven't quite developed. And some years the bracts are so big that you get no flower at all. You just get the bracts without any flowers. So some people could say amazing, some people might say it was hideous, but there we are, Green Lashes. This one is possibly the weirdest and the most ugly one that I grow, and it's a variety where the flowers never open. So the flowers are blue, they remain closed at the tip, they never actually opened. So you can't see inside and the petals don't turn out. This is another later one, and some years this particular one can be bracteate, so it can have very large bracts. You can just about see some larger bracts going on there. So some years it's bracteate, some years it's not. It's definitely a hybrid one, so it's not a British native one. And this is the one that I called Ickle-Pickle Fluffy-Wuffy Bunny-Bunchkin, just to annoy everybody else.